Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Professor Dr. Asha Elawat Kapoor, our special guest, Mr. Arvind Kapoor, our Director General, Dr. Kuldeep Singh Dhinsa ji, without whom this program would not have been possible. So he is such an inspiration for all of us. Our Registrar Sir, Dr. Sudhanshu Gupta, principals of different constituent colleges. So before I begin, I would like to extend my warm welcome to a special guest, Professor Dr. Kuldeep Singh Dhinsa ji. I would really like to brief his bio, because he is such an icon for all of us. He is such a matchless personality. So he has internationally renowned scientist, and he's also a man of unimpeachable secure credentials, and is also very well known for his field contributions in the field of science. He has more than 160 research papers, and he has also attended a lot of international conferences. And Dr. Dhinsa has started his career as an assistant professor at Haryana Agriculture University, Hisar, in 1971. And with his journey towards success and growth, he has attained a lot of awards. And he has also attained a lot of awards he has attained an Indian National Science Academy Award by Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi. In 1996, he has received a Gyan Chand Jain Memorial Award, Center of Excellence. He is also presently as a chairman and member of various committees of UGC, University Grant Commission, Minister of Human Resource Development, New Delhi. He has also been empaneled as a co-chairperson of interview boards conducted by RSC for recruitment and assessment of scientists in defense science research development in New Delhi. His mission was to fulfill when Indian National Chemical Society conferred for him Lifetime Achievement Award in 2016 in recognition of contribution in the field of chemical sciences. There is a huge long list about his achievements, and I do have 5 pages, which enlist all the achievements, the awards he has been awarded with the Government of India. And in 2019 also, he has won outstanding contributions in the improvement of the national quality of cereals and pulses. In the present, he has also won a lot of awards by the University Grant Commission for his expertise in the chairman and a member of the various committees and boards. Dr. Dhinsa is a widely traveled person and has visited many countries including Germany, France, Switzerland, Denmark, Sweden, Spain, endless number of lists. So we have such a personality, such an eminent, matchless personality among us. And he is also a man of a positive attitude. Students, let me tell you that Sir is a kind of a vision that he always wanted that everybody should get an equal education. Either that student is from this village or the student is from the urban society. So he is such a person that who equate all the students on a one floor. So I would like to say this thing, sir, that we are so blessed, and I feel so grateful that we got you as a Director General. So a huge round of applause for a Director General. Now moving forward, the most awaited, Dr. Asha Elawat Kapoor. It's being a week that we were in a conversation. And yes, her conversation, her dynamism, her this orator, her voice, and everything was like so perfect that I was so keen and enthusiastic to see her. And so, ma'am, I'm so blessed and I feel so grateful that you are here with us. Thank you so much for giving us time so that we can have a lot of inspirational lectures from you. She has conducted more than 1,200 lectures. So it's such an amazing achievement. And the most important thing I would like to say that she belongs to such an area which is very much demanded nowadays. Like very much is like we don't know how to interact with each other. This interpersonal skills, the communication skills, the personality development, the stress management, endless matchless topics. She has conducted lectures on the topics, and she has shaped a lot of people like us. So, ma'am, please, I would like to request you to please come on the stage, and so that you can enlighten us with your words.
Main speaker of the day, Madam Asha Kapoor, Mr. Arvind Kapoor, Principal of the college, Dr. Harleen Tillon, my faculty colleagues, that of course includes principals also, they are faculty members first. Dear students, ladies and gentlemen, it is always a pleasure for me as a teacher to talk to all of you. I am glad you have come in good strength, and that speaks for your inquest for knowledge. This is an era, what we call knowledge era. And in this age of information technology, when facts, things, and happenings are changing by minutes, not by hours, to be at the right place, you'll have to be updated with all the things those are around. And reading is the best way to keep oneself updated. Particularly for the faculty, I would like to say, teaching is like rowing upstream against the current of water. If you don't update yourself, you are bound to fall flat. So, I wish that all my teachers are updated with their knowledge, and all the students, they have a spirit to ask the questions wherever they don't understand. As a matter of fact, in many countries I have seen interactive model of teaching, where the teacher delivers his talk, his or her talk, for about 30 minutes, and then it's followed by question answer. And that's so interactive that somebody here is asking a question, somebody here, a student, is answering. If that answer is correct, it's okay. If there is some modification needed, then the teacher intervenes to modify that part. That's the model I have in mind about today's talk. Madam Asha Kapoor, her biodata has been told by Dr. Harley Tillo, and I am proud to say that she is my student. But she is a student who has surpassed her teacher, and I'm glad to state that. There is a saying in English, behind every successful man, there is a woman. You have heard this? Good. But today I feel behind every successful woman, there is a man. Sitting silently there, Arvind Kapoor would stand up and face the audience. Yeah. Again, fortunately, he had also been my student. Oh, they say in Hindi, I had planned for an extension lecture, and I wanted to start with a bang. I thought of various persons, good orators, but then there is a saying in Hindi, Anda baate shirni, apne apne ko de. So I assured my own students to do the job. First ever motivational talk or any general talk where all the teachers and students were there is this one. So you have the proud privilege of launching we in Vidyapeeth aim at all-round development personality. Education is not certain amount of knowledge given to you in the classrooms, but education is something to make you quality citizens of Mother India. Quality citizens, it will take me a long time if I define that. Maybe in my next talk I'll talk in detail. But those who have qualities of head and heart and are concerned about the social being or social welfare of everybody around them. For that, apart from classroom teaching, we have then curricular activities, include sports, dramatics, music, debates, and all that. And when all these have been achieved, then my daughters, these girl students, must be knowing when they prepare a cake, after that they give an icing on the cake. And that's the beauty of the cake. So, with all these traits which you are acquiring or have acquired, the motivational part which Asha is going to deliver today is icing on the cake. Just like when you get fresh in the morning and when you spend 5 minutes before the mirror, finishing touches to your face, to your dress and all that, so that you look attractive. The same way, she'll be teaching those techniques to you so that you are successful in life, you are liked by people. I think I'm going beyond my time. You are eager to listen to Madam Asha Ahalavat Kapoor, and I'll not stand in the way. Thank you, young boys, ladies, and gentlemen.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wise words. Without taking much of time, I would like to invite Dr. Asha Ahalavat Kapoor. So please put your hands together for Dr. Asha Ahalavat Kapoor. Ma'am, over to you, please.
I'm very, very humbled and happy and grateful to be here in this institute amongst you to speak about a subject called life. And I'm standing and reading the vision of a visionary on whose name this Vidyapeeth is in existence for past 20 years. Chaudhary Devilal कहते थे, I have served Mother India and done my mission. We all have a mission beyond self. Beyond self, when each Indian citizen thinks, we shine in our personal life, professional life, and as world citizens. तो बच्चों, छोटी छोटी बातें बहुत ध्यान से सुनना, और ये जीवन का एक सबक है जो आपको हमेशा जब काले बादल छाते हैं जीवन में तो काम आता है, राइट? So I want everybody mentally present in this room for 30 to 40 minutes, and then I will ask your worries and address them right here in front of you. छोटी सी एक यात्रा मेरे जीवन की. जब मैं स्टूडेंट थी तो मुझे बहुत शौक था एक्टिविज्म का. मुझे गलत बात बर्दाश्त नहीं होती थी. तो एक छोटी सी यात्रा मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, just to motivate all the girls and boys, ladies and gentlemen sitting under this roof. This is a movement called Charba movement. It has a web page. I led a movement of 5,000 farmers to save forests in Himalayas, Uttarakhand, to save the soil health from toxicity of Coca-Cola. In the first time in the independent history of India, we told them to pack and get out. Planting trees with everybody who is responsible for guiding the youth and society. Swami Chinyaman Saraswati is the head of Paramartha Ashram in Haridwar. He is a spiritual leader for the world leaders. And this is my role as a trainer. I train men in uniform who defend the borders of India, presenting a lead paper on sustainability in coming times at my own university for the Golden Jubilee celebrations as a keynote speaker. Training corporates, then awards and rewards God gives you. When you don't seek them, you get more. I am also addressing youth in the northern India for eating right kind of food, the brand ambassador for National Health Mission, which is a phenomenal challenge in today's time and busy schedule of mothers working, contributing to the GDP. The food at home gets neglected. Planting trees wherever we lived. Me and my family, we have planted as individuals more than 5,000 plants, and my husband as a professional, he has planted billions of trees, being a tea planter in the Northeast. Touching lives at the bottom level, being among themselves. This role I played as an officer's wife for 17 years in Assam, and I was honored with Social Excellence Award by Ratan Tata. This is interesting. I got a call from the director of Indian Institute of Technology and Management. He said, Dr. Asha, we need for one day. Please come and meet our DRDO scientists to teach them work-life balance. So ladies, you have double struggle. And when you stay focused, when you stay calm, quiet, you achieve that perfectly because you are designed by nature to do that. Right? This is again, I'm training the men in uniform. I'm the only lady trainer at ITBP Academy. Only lady trainer. Training IFS officers in Dehradun in an institute called Indira Gandhi National Academy of Foresters. Planting a city park in Jabalpur. I don't live in Madhya Pradesh, but I planted 101 trees there when I was training the forest department. So plant trees. More awards. Recognition comes when you work hard. This is another corporate client of mine. This was training women associate professors from 8 centers at MDU Rohtak for teaching rural girls and women to become entrepreneurs. This is recent, 2 months back. This is my own administration block at HAU. Whenever I go to work at HAU, I feel like a young girl and I go and take a picture at Fletcher House. This is बिल्कुल देहात जीन में गांव की बच्चियों से मिली मैं, and they don't know how to speak शुद्ध हिंदी, and now they are learning to communicate in Hindi and English. I started that work. Police officers, I train police officers of PCS services in lots of states. Planting trees again in Sikkim, in Jabalpur, in Uttarakhand, in Assam, in Haryana, everywhere I go. Thank you. So I will speak about the most powerful energy of your life called focus. Focus enhances your life skills. जो हमारा ध्यान होता है, जो हमारी ऊर्जा होती है, उसको कैसे चैनलाइज करके आपकी जिंदगी में एक्सीलेंस आती है. इट इज रिलेटेड विद ऑल लाइफ स्किल्स. सब कुछ इसी से निकलता है, राइट? जैसा आप सोचोगे वैसा आप बनोगे. तो वी ऑल टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ एंड स्टार्ट दिस लिटिल जर्नी ऑफ 20 minutes. ये आपका खूबसूरत यूनिवर्सिटी है. कल हम आए, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत खूबसूरत हमारा स्वागत हुआ, बहुत प्यारे बच्चे आज बैठे हैं, एंड आई एम वंस अगेन वेरी थैंकफुल. जीवन की आवश्यकताएं क्या है जिसकी भागदौड़ में हम लगे रहते हैं? बहुत सरल है, उसको हम बहुत उलझा देते हैं, बहुत स्ट्रेस ले लेते हैं. जीवन को जीने की जो सरल तरीके हैं वो हर रोज शुरू होते हैं. कुछ ज़रूरी चीज़ें हैं, भोजन, पानी, घर का आराम. These are called physiological needs or basic needs which birds, animals, plants, forest, oceans, rivers, every ecosystem needs that. So we are the evolved species of the ecosystem, we also need that. तो सबसे छोटी ज़रूरत physiological needs. We have fed ourselves well, we've had water to start our day, we've had a bath, we are dressed up and we are ready to face the challenges of the day. Dear children, we all have challenges. I am standing here. My day also starts with the planning and challenges of micro level and macro level. छोटी छोटी कठिनाइयाँ और बड़ा संघर्ष 365 दिन जीवन के चलता रहता है, क्योंकि जीवन है. कोई हम सिनेमा नहीं देख रहे पीवीआर में 3 घंटे का. सो जीवन को जीने का जो तरीका है, दे आर कॉल्ड लाइफ स्किल्स. लाइफ स्किल्स वी आर बॉर्न विद सम. हमारा जो माहौल जिसमें हम बड़े होते हैं वो हमको सिखाता है. फर्स्ट इज हेरिडिटरी, देन इज एनवायरमेंटल एंड देन इज ग्रूमिंग. इफ यू कैनॉट स्पीक गुड इंग्लिश यू कैन लर्न इट. इफ यू कैनॉट स्पीक गुड हिंदी यू कैन लर्न इट. इफ यू नीड ग्रूमिंग you can be worked on. But when all this starts traveling to you, when you say, I have to learn, right? The learning begins when you decide, I need to learn. मुझे सीखना है, मुझे कुछ करना है. I strive for excellence. I refuse to be in mediocrity. मुझे कुछ करना है, राइट? तो हम सीखेंगे कैसे करना है. ये बहुत मुश्किल होता है 1 घंटे में सिखाना, लेकिन आपको पता लग जाता है कि दिस इज डूएबल. ऑल ग्रेट पीपल ऑन दिस अर्थ from ancient times till date have one thing in common, that is called focus. ध्यान लगाना. जब आप कोई भी काम ध्यान से करते हैं, आपका वक्त बचता है, आपको स्ट्रेस नहीं होता, आपको दिशा मिलती है और आप शाम तक फुल ऑफ एनर्जी और फुल ऑफ आउटपुट रहते हैं. आपका आउटपुट समझते हैं? वेरी गुड. हमने 99 काम कर लिए और अब एक काम बाकी है, सुकून से सोना. आई मीट सो मेनी यंग पीपल, नॉट सो यंग, people who are about to retire during my training sessions, and the most common thing the humanity is going through today is the technology stress. Stress of life, stress of excellence in life, stress of performance in life. वो बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाएगा. आप मैं जो चीज़ें आपको बताऊंगी उसको अभ्यास करें. शुरुआत करें आज से. 21 दिन करें और 120 दिन में कोई भी चीज़ जब हम करते हैं उसकी आदत बन जाती है. आज से शुरू करें, 21 दिन करें और 120 दिन में वो आपकी आदत बन जाती है. दैट्स कॉल्ड काइज़ेन. Kaizen is a Japanese word which, when we implement in our life, it puts us on a trajectory of improvement. We start improving as human beings and as professionals. तो इन नीड्स की बात करते हुए सबसे हायर नीड जो इंसान की होती है, हमें घर मिल गया, हमें सेफ्टी मिल गई, we have a beautiful family, we have beautiful friends, we have learned to handle relationships, then we move on. फिर हमें समाज में इज्जत मिलती है, रिकॉग्निशन मिलती है, आपको लोग पहचानते हैं, आपसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं. एंड द हाईएस्ट इज सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन. Self-actualization is achieving your full potential. Achieving your full potential. 90% of human beings die with 5% of their full potential. 90% word over, maybe more. So how to achieve your full potential? उसके बारे में अब थोड़ी सी बात करते हैं. पावर ऑफ फोकस. ध्यान कैसे लगाना है? जब आप ड्राइविंग करते हैं तो डिस्ट्रैक्शंस बहुत हैं, बट यू ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन द रोड, ऑन द सेंटर लाइन ऑफ द रोड, ऑन द ट्रैफिक हियर एंड देयर. The same thing happens for life's achievements. You need to channelize the energy of your mind to get where you want to get, to reach where you want to reach, to hit a bullseye for your aim. Bullseye वो होती है जो बच्चे डार्ट खेलते हैं तो सेंटर वाले लाल में जाके जब वो लिखती है, दैट्स कॉल्ड बुल्सआई. अर्जुन का नाम सबने सुना है. वो बहुत अच्छे शिष्य थे गुरु द्रोणाचार्य के, और उनके जैसा धनुर्धारी हमारे देश के इतिहास में नहीं हुआ है. वो क्यों थे अच्छे धनुर्धारी? No talking. I know who's talking. Please don't disturb. Focus. Here, be with me. So when Arjun used to look and practice in the water, a moving fish, and he could hit the bullseye by aiming the eye of the fish. उसको सिर्फ मछली की आंख दिखती थी, वो ये नहीं देख रहा था मछली की कितनी आंखें हैं, मछली का क्या रंग है, मछली घूम रही है या स्टैटिक है. You know children, आपकी 95% एनर्जी मछली का रंग देखने में, वो स्टैटिक है या घूम रही है, उसमें निकाल देते हो. दिस इज आई एम यूजिंग एज अ मेटाफोर, एक उदाहरण है जिंदगी का. तो हमको क्या देखना है? मछली की आंख, फोकस. और वो बचपन से हम घर में बच्चों को सिखाते हैं. Some people, some children become global talents. They become asset for the world. Each child is born with that potential what Arjun had. But there are no Dronacharyas at home. Even if Dronacharyas are there in institutes to harness that power of your mind, those systems are not there in the practices anymore. समझ में आ रही है मैं क्या कह रही हूं? To achieve the highest potential of your life by paying careful and special attention to a particular thing to achieve a beautiful result. The result is always beautiful when you work hard. हमारे जीवन में एम होती है ना, एक उद्देश्य होता है जीवन का. When we have aim in life, उसका अगला कदम होता है हार्ड वर्क. उसका अगला कदम होता है टू गेन नॉलेज टू अचीव माई एम. मेरा उद्देश्य, मैं मेहनत करूंगा या करूंगी और मैं उसके लिए मुझे हार्ड वर्क करना है. And then the last is perseverance. Aim, gaining knowledge, hard work, and repeated perseverance. Perseverance is बार बार अभ्यास. बार बार अभ्यास करके आप अपना एक सबक तैयार करते हैं, उसमें आपको A ग्रेड मिलता है, 10 on 10 मिलते हैं ना. और अगर आप बिना तैयारी के जाएंगे तो आपको 5 on 10 मिलते हैं. दिस इज हाउ इवन द लाइफ ट्रीट्स यू. इफ यू फेस द लाइफ विथ प्रिपरेशन, द लाइफ विल गिव यू A grade, 10 on 10. Life is an art. You know, I always tell people wherever I go, if you don't lead your life, the life will lead you. जीवन तो जीना है, सृष्टि का नियम है. So how should we live our life? By focus, special attention. जब लेक्चर हॉल में है, सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट के बारे में सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट से सुनना है, नोट्स बनाने हैं, घर जाके अभ्यास करना है. अगले दिन आके फिर नोट्स बनाने हैं, फिर घर जाके दोनों दिन का अभ्यास करना है. तीसरे दिन तीनों दिन का अभ्यास करना है. आप अगले मंडे को आके टेस्ट देंगे तो आपको 10 में से 10 मिलेंगे. लेकिन अगर आपने क्लास में सुना ही नहीं, अभ्यास करा ही नहीं, तो आपको 3 या 4 मिलेंगे. राइट? Pay special attention to a particular thing, anything you do, at any moment of the time, any second in your life, you have to put that focus. And that focus is an art. You can learn it. It can be cultivated. Some people have it by the grooming in the childhood, by the environment at home and school and colleges. Some lack it all their lives. They become directionless. They are underachievers. Our society should strive for a community effort to groom children. to bring the best in each child. हर वो इंसान जो महान बनता है वो उतना ही महान बनता है जितनी अपनी पावर को एक चैनल में एनालाइज करता है. The father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, channelized his energies to just get freedom for India. He did not think of becoming the prime minister or the president or a minister. He just was focused and channelizing his energies to generate a mass movement to get independence. This is what I am talking about here. जितनी सफलता आपको चाहिए उतना ही फोकस से मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. If you want to crack UPSC exam in first attempt, you have to have that focus and hard work in only one direction. You will do it. Don't have any self-doubts because self-doubts are limiting. वो आपका डर जो है वो भी मैनिफेस्ट हो रहा है साथ साथ, वो आपको आगे नहीं निकलने देता. सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, हर महान आदमी उतना ही महान होता है जितना उसका फोकस एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ में होता है. एक चीज़ में हम लोग हज़ारों चीज़ करने की कोशिश करते हैं, इसीलिए हम अपने पोटेंशियल को नहीं प्राप्त करते. Focus helps to build mental stamina. आपको ध्यान लगाता है, आपको सोचने की शक्ति बढ़ाता है, आपको याद करने की शक्ति बढ़ाता है और आपको रिएक्ट करने का तरीका सिखाता है. Sometimes on phone we get angry without listening to the complete conversation because we are assuming things because we have already decided in our mind कि वो ये कहेगा तो मैं ये कहूँगा, वो ये कहेगी तो मैं ये कहूँगा. Don't do that. Don't clutter your mind, especially in this age. ये आपका ब्रह्मचर्य आश्रम चल रहा है जिसको हम ट्रेडिशनल विजडम, एंशिएंट विजडम में जीवन को 4 भागों में बांटा गया है. ब्रह्मचर्य आश्रम, गृहस्थ आश्रम, संन्यास आश्रम और वानप्रस्थाश्रम. तो इस समय जो आप अपने ऊपर इन्वेस्ट करेंगे वो आपको पूरे जीवन काम आएगा, आपके रिमेनिंग लाइफ में काम आएगा. द लॉ ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग रिटर्न. आप जितनी फोकस रखेंगे, जितनी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस कम रखेंगे उतना ही रिजल्ट बढ़िया होगा. एज यू इम्प्रूव यू अचीव द सेम लेवल ऑफ रिजल्ट इन लेस टाइम. मंडे के लेक्चर को आपने मंडे को रिवाइज किया, ट्यूसडे को रिवाइज किया, मंडे ट्यूसडे के लेक्चर को आपने वेंसडे को रिवाइज किया, एंड सो ऑन सो फोर्थ. So if you come for the exam of that chapter on coming Monday, you will achieve 10 on 10 in less time. It's a very simple skill I'm trying to share with you. Repeated prayas, abhyas. Don't keep a big challenge on a weekend. Keep preparing every day because every day has same number of hours. Right, children? Same number of hours. अपने आप से पूछें कि आज मैंने जो जो किया उसका क्या उद्देश्य था. Don't whine away your life because today 16th of January 2023 will never come back in each one of our lives. Will it come again? Will it come tomorrow? Nobody. No. For nobody it will come tomorrow. So don't waste your today. Don't waste your today on unnecessary issues of life. That will bring you in a straight line of focus. This kind of channelizing of your Zen is your life energy, which is within you, which you can harness. You can harness your Zen to transform into a beautiful result, which helps you to achieve your purpose. पर्पस, उद्देश्य, मेरे इस जीवन का पर्पस क्या है आज का? मुझे अपनी क्लासेस अटेंड करनी है, प्लेग्राउंड में जाना है, तैयारी करनी है, इम्तिहान की तैयारी करनी है, घर पे आके पेरेंट्स को हेल्प करना है, अपने कैंपस को साफ रखना है, समय से सोना है, समय से उठना है, etc. etc. So when your focus is driven by your purpose, you achieve passion. You reach at a higher level called passion. Aim, work hard, achieve your purpose, and that purpose becomes your passion. Children, enjoy your education. Transform yourself into a powerful machine. Your human body is the most beautifully designed machine on this earth. Utilize your faculties to 100%. पूरा इस्तेमाल करो अपने दिमाग का. What you think, you become. Remember that. And it is doable. I am not talking about any rocket science. I am talking about which I have seen in my life, which happens when you remain purposeful, focused, and true to yourself. Be true to yourself. Why I am here on this campus? My parents are spending their resources. I must focus on studies. I must focus on my health. I must eat healthy food. I must strive towards sustainable life. And I must stand on my own feet. Right? जब आपका फोकस बढ़ता है तो आपकी हिम्मत बढ़ती है अंदर से. It gives you strength. It channelizes your energies. A good chef who prepares a 5-course meal is so focused in the perfection of that meal that he cannot think, does not think, will not think of anything else. A swimmer who's competing for 50 meters or 100 meters underwater will only think about one goal, to finish the fastest. उसको और कोई उसके दिमाग में ख्याल नहीं आता है. तो अगर आप बार बार सारा दिन ये अभ्यास करेंगे कि मैं कक्षा में हूँ और ये लेक्चर चल रहा है, बिजनेस स्टडीज़ का लेक्चर चल रहा है, तो मुझे इसमें से मैक्सिमम सीखना है, तो आपका दिमाग बाहर नहीं जाएगा. आपको जाएगा, फिर उसको बुलाना पड़ेगा आपको. You have to train your mind. How can you train your mind? By training your thoughts. You know, there are millions of neurons in our brain. Brain and mind are two different things. उस पर फिर कभी बात करेंगे. बट आज सिर्फ आप इतना सीख लें कि जो काम कर रहे हैं उसमें पूरा मन लगा के करें, पूरी शिद्दत से करें, पूरी ईमानदारी से करें. वो ईमानदारी आपकी सबसे पहले अपने साथ है. राइट? प्लानिंग हेल्प्स. यू पुट फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट. स्टार्ट प्लानिंग योर डे. प्लान योर डे. अगर आपको 9 बजे कक्षा में पहुंचना है, पैक कैलकुलेट द प्रीवियस नाइट, टू गो टू बेड ऑन टाइम, to wake up on time, to exercise, meditate, have bath, help your parents, pack your lunch, and come back to the campus by 10 minutes to 9. 10 minutes to 9. भागम भाग नहीं होनी चाहिए सवेरे जिंदगी में. That gives you stress. Don't start your day with stress. Reaching your goals is only by perseverance, perseverance, perseverance. अपने पुराने एक संत थे, वो कह के गए हैं, करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मति होत सुजान, रसरी आवत जात के सिल पर पड़त निशान. बार बार पत्थर पे लिखने से भी पत्थर पे निशान पड़ जाता है. तो आपका तो दिमाग इतना नरम है, राइट? इतना अभ्यास करो कि अभ्यास को भी ये लगे कि हाँ, अब और अभ्यास की जरूरत नहीं है. वर्क सो हार्ड दैट द हार्ड वर्क टेल्स यू, बेटा अब सो जा, तेरी तैयारी हो गई है, सवेरे जाके इम्तिहान दे देना. दैट इज कॉल्ड परसिवरेंस. Glory is not in never falling. Glory is to fall and get up. ये कुछ कहावतें हैं पूरी दुनिया से. और अपने आप को तैयार करिए. जीवन में बहुत संघर्ष आएंगे. पैसा एक वक्त के बाद आपको कुछ नहीं सिखा सकता, कुछ नहीं खरीद सकते आप उससे, वो बेईमानी हो जाता है. अपने आप को इतना मजबूत करो कि आज मेरे पास अगर जीरो है तो मैं फिर से शुरू करूं. रीच दैट स्टेज इन लाइफ, राइट? Principles and values, these are very two important facets of human life. A man or a woman who lives with principles is valued in family, in society, in the nation. जब एक इंसान एक जगह जाता है काम करने के लिए, उसकी रेपुटेशन उससे पहले पहुंचती है, राइट? Am I right? So make yourself that competent, that accessible, that knowledgeable, that when you go for a job interview, nobody can reject you. Because you know within you, I'm going to get this job. I'm going to negotiate my salary. And believe me, children, it happens. It gets manifested. I've done so many manifestations, small and big, in my own life. मैं तजुर्बे से बता रही हूँ, जो शिद्दत से सोचोगे वो जरूर मिलेगा, लेकिन उसके लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. Believe me, 20 years from now, you will remember, एक मैम आई थी, उन्होंने यहाँ खड़े होके बताया था हमें, और मैंने वो सोचा, उस पर काम करा और वो मुझे मिल गया. वो सारा परिणाम आपके प्रयास का है, जो आप मेहनत कर रहे हैं उसका परिणाम है, नथिंग एल्स. वैल्यू सिस्टम, शॉर्टकट नहीं लेने चाहिए लाइफ में कभी भी, बिकॉज शॉर्टकट प्लीजेज नोबडी. आपके ऊपर निगाहें होती हैं, आपके पेरेंट्स को पता है आप क्या हैं, आपके टीचर्स को पता है आप क्या हैं, और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण, सबसे उम्दा, आपको पता है आपकी जर्नी क्या है. सो डोंट टेक शॉर्टकट्स. प्लीज डोंट ट्राई टू फूल anybody, because in the bargain you are fooling yourself. Don't do that. No quick fixes. अब मैंने ज़्यादा समय तो नहीं लिया. Benefits of staying focused. फायदे क्या हैं? भाई कुछ भी काम हम करेंगे तो फायदा तो होना चाहिए, right? When we have a healthy breakfast, उसका क्या फायदा है? It sees you through the day. It gives you nutrition. Similarly, ma'am is saying focus. Why should we be focused? क्या फायदा होने वाला है? फायदे, आपके पास वक्त ज़्यादा रहेगा अपने लिए. You can have lots of me time. Lot of people don't understand what is me time. Lot of grown-ups don't understand what is me time. It increases your net worth. आपकी क्षमता बढ़ती है. Net worth means you grow as a human, you grow as a professional. It increases by bringing focus in your life, by staying true to yourself, by being honest to yourself, by managing your time well, by working hard. There is no substitute of hard work. अननेसेसरी स्ट्रेस कम होता है फोकस, लाइफ में फोकस लाने से. इट एनहांसेस योर परफॉर्मेंस. You reach your peak if you prepare your Monday's lesson on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and revise it on Sunday. You will get 10 on 10 guarantee, because you have been observing the power of focus and perseverance in your life, and then your health remains perfect. So जीवन में उद्देश्य ढूंढो अपना. डिस्कवर द पर्पस ऑफ योर लाइफ. पर्पस ऑफ योर लाइफ, राइट? यू विल रिपीट विद मी. डिस्कवर पर्पस ऑफ योर लाइफ. डिस्कवर. रिपीट एवरीबॉडी. डिस्कवर. एक साथ बोले. डिस्कवर. यस. डिस्कवर द पर्पस ऑफ योर लाइफ एंड देन उस पे undivided attention, the focus which I have been speaking about, is the most beautiful vital life force, and you can be more than you already are if you exert your energies wisely. I am here. I travel all over India. I have gone to international conferences, but today I am not happy with my journey as a professional. I want to improve. So 10 years from now, I will be more than what I am already today. And next 10 years will be more than what I am in 2033. This is what I am talking, children. Learning has no end. The book of life called learning does not have a last page. That last page is in your hands to write, and that last day page should be the last day of my life. The last page of learning of my book will be the last day of my life. Thank you.
एक बार मैम के लिए जोरदार तालियां बजनी चाहिए. जोरदार तालियां. Really, thank you so much, मैम. आपने हमें वाकई बताया कि हमें अपने लाइफ का पर्पस कैसे डिस्कवर करना है. You really gave us that power to recognize what is the purpose of our life. How can we set the big dreams that we generally have fear to set the big dreams? अरे हम तो वो अचीव नहीं कर सकते. How to chase them? How to stay consistent in that, कि हम बिल्कुल अपने 100% उसमें लगा दें और जब तक उसको अचीव ना कर ले हम हार जाना. थैंक यू सो मच मैम फॉर योर गोल्डन वर्ड्स. मैं तो ज़रूर यहाँ से कुछ ना कुछ बहुत ही लेकर जा रही हूँ. आई होप बाकी सब बच्चे भी लेकर जाएंगे, अपना ड्रीम सेट करेंगे और कैसे उसको चेज करना है वो डिसाइड. Indeed, really, ma'am, it was really an inspirational lecture. I'm amazed, basically. I've never listened to this kind of lecture till now. Thank you so much, ma'am. We are really honored to have you. Now let's move on to our traditional and auspicious ceremony where we give a token of love, token of appreciation, a token of memory to our chief guest as a memento. For this, I would like to request our respected DG sir to kindly present a token of memory to our chief guest of our day, Professor Asha Kapoor ma'am and Mr. Arvind Kapoor sir. Professor Asha Ehlawat Kapoor ma'am, इस क्षण के लिए बहुत जोरदार तालियां बजनी चाहिए. हमारे डीजी सर मिस्टर अरविंद कपूर सर को माला पट्टा पहनाकर उनका हमारे डीजी सर स्मृति चिन्ह हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि प्रोफेसर आशा एलावत कपूर को देते हुए उनका सम्मान करते हुए मिस्टर अरविंद कपूर सर रिसीविंग अ टोकन ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन. Thank you so much, our respected Director General, Dr. Professor Kuldeep Singh Dhinsa ji, Dr. Asha Kapoor ma'am, Dr. Arvind Kapoor ji, or Registrar Dr. Sudhanshu Gupta, faculty members, principals of constituent colleges, and my dear students. Thank you very much for the time, and yes, it was indeed a lovely, motivational, inspirational lecture for all of us. So a huge round of applause for Dr. Asha Kapoor. Thank you so much, ma'am, and we really look forward to hear more from you on so many other different topics. So the topics which she has delivered, it is one of the management theory, that is Maslow hierarchy need, and it is the most important need which actually tells us that how to live a life. So today I have seen the pragmatic approach of that Maslow hierarchy need. So thank you so much, ma'am, for teaching us, for enriching us with your words and values. Thank you so much.